Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it. Tap on the profile icon. Look at the right corner. Tap on three line. Settings and privacy. Click on creator tools and controls. Scroll down. Tap on switch account type. And then finally click on to switch to personal account. Okay, now done. That's how you can do it. That's how you can easily switch back to personal account on Instagram.